No, I didn't actually.
Oh, it's on that TV, Jan.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
You're very photogenic.
Thank you.
Have a look in a little while.
Yeah, I'll check it out.
Okay, so what's your idea?
So, to make a hardware interface for this ultrasonic rangefinder, it's a pretty common one, the HC SR04.
Yeah, it's a legacy one, isn't it?
And most of the time people do it with a microcontroller, an
Yep.
Arduino or something.
Yep.
I kind of figured, well, it's a bit of a, I don't know, I'm going to say a waste, but I'm sure you could do it with hardware with not
Oh, you
too
can
much
make an
hassle.
analog one, yeah. But how are you going to actually indicate to the person what the range is? Are you going to have
So my
a meter
plan
or
is-
an LED? Or?
Yeah, the answer to that basically is yes. It's my block diagram. The counter circuit is going to be some shift registers.
Yep.
So effectively what it's going to do is when the echo comes back from the ultrasonic sensor,
Yep.
it's going to enable a clock. And then that clock is just going to start building the counts.
Yeah, and these are
across the
comparators.
LEDs.
So it's actually an analog version here. How does this fit in then? 'Cause
So-
you've got an AND gate there, haven't
This bit, I've actually developed it all the way through to almost completion. Is I'm using the 4093 NAND to make an oscillator, and one of these pins on the NAND gate oscillator, you usually just connect it to supply. Instead, I'm just using it as an enable, so that when the echo comes back,
Gotcha.
the duration of the enable sets the number of clocks,
Yeah.
and then that count goes into the shift registers, displaying on the LEDs.
Absolutely fine.
Sound okay?
Sounds great. I mean, I'm just thinking aloud here that so you are still going into the digital domain almost straight away, aren't you? Have you thought of doing this with comparators? So if you've got a series of comparators, you can set the bridge voltage, in other words, the turn-on voltage, according to the resistor chain,
Right.
and you can almost do it that way as well, and then keep the whole thing completely analog, rather than using a logic gate. So
I mean,
I see.
it does sound like fun, but
I'll leave it to you.
From this way, a bit more
You've
straightforward.
obviously thought about it. Yeah, that's fine. Absolutely fine. Now, do we have a shift register
oh,
IC?
don't
in
worry,
there?
I've got these at home.
Okay. Oh, well, so you will. So you're going to make it?
Already have. I kind of gambled, which is why I came to you first.
Okay.
I've got a video. for
Well,
you to see
you
it as well.
definitely can't build that.
What would you have done if it had said no?
I would have had to do something else.
It's fine. Absolutely fine.
Bless you.
So, well done.
Thank you. Would you like to see it working?
I would.
Wow.
I can show you straight away.
Hang on.